Naomi Home presents the Fayette Lift and Recline Chair Assembly video. To get started, connect the backrest to the chair base. Push down until you hear it click in place. Connect the wires to their designated color. Next, connect the cable onto the back side of the chair base. Attach the loop fastener onto the chair base. Now that you've connected all of the cables, you are able to recline and lift with the help of a remote. You can plug in your electronic devices to charge, and you can adjust the temperature of your heated seat as well as access the massage features with the additional remote. And there you have it. Your Fayette Lift and Recline chair is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.